Hey guys! Today we are trying out a palette that came out so long ago. Like, oh my god, I've had this sitting in my collection for the longest time. Oh my god. Let me actually just check and see if they still sell it. I think they do. I actually really like Bperfect. When I get back from my trip, I really want to do like a Bperfect haul and grab like a full face of stuff. Like, I'd really like to try out some of their skin products and things like that. So, oh, I don't think they make it anymore. That's such a shame. How annoying. I don't know if it was like a limited thing. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, this is the Bperfect Cosmetics Carnival Interstellar palette, which I'm really excited about. So, from memory, it's absolutely stunning. It's so pretty, guys. Like, I actually really enjoy this. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I don't actually know what to do today because I feel like I've done like a lot of like greens and stuff lately, so I'm kind of like, what do we do? I honestly kind of really like these smoky shades, but I don't really know like how to do smoky look. Let's have a look and see if I'll be able to do one. I don't know if I've ever done a smoky eye before, to be honest. I'm kind of thinking of doing something like a little bit, you know. Anyway, let's just get started. I'm going to prime my eyes with my P. Louise base. Alright, let's have a look. I'm going to start with a shade called Misty Moon, and it's like a kind of white shade, to be honest. And I'm just kind of going to place that as like our transition shade. Put that all over. It's probably honestly not going to show up very much, but I feel like I put too much base on today. You guys are so far away. Let me bring you in. I'm going to start with the shade called Odyssey, and it's like a bit of like a blue kind of colour, and this will start mapping out our look for today. I think I'm gonna do a half cut crease. I'm not really a grey girly, they kind of scare me, so I'm kind of stepping out of the comfort zone with this one today. Got something like that going on. I have started buying my advent calendars, guys. I'm so excited. I've got 2 so far. I don't know what I'm going to do this year, like how I'm going to do it, but yeah, we'll wait and see. I'm thinking, I don't know if I do like 24 days of advent calendars or what I'm going to do. I kind of want to do Vlogmas this year as well. Maybe I'll do Vlogmas. Could be fun. Okay, so I've got that colour on now. I'm just going to go back into this and blend everything. I'm going to go into the shade now called First Man, I think. And this is like a bit more like of a grey. And we're going to start kind of deepening this up. This is not the right brush. I've kind of got an idea in my head, so I'm really hoping it turns out like how I'm hoping it will. Putting this grey shade down. All the shades seem to have like trouble sticking in this same spot, like just kind of here. I don't know why, but anyway. So I got something like that going. Then I'm going to go back into the Odyssey shade, which was like that blue, and go like along the edge of this. Blend it out a little. So I've got something like that. Now I'm going to go back into my big fluffy brush and blend that like so. Now I'm going to go into like a small brush, and we're going to go into the shade called Dark Side, and this is like a black. I'm going to start deepening this up. This is too big. Just putting this like in the outer corner and then through the crease a little bit. I'll blend it out properly in a seckie. This palette is honestly so pretty. So I've got something like that. Now we'll go back into the First Man shade, which is like the grey, and just like put that along the edges just to kind of soften it. Just like that. Cute. Okay. Give it one last run over with my big fluffy brush. I'll take a bit of like the Misty Moon shade, which is that white shade. Just give everything a little buff, and then I can go and cut the crease. Alright, I'm gonna go cut the crease. Also, guys, look at this. Is that not one of the prettiest shades you've ever seen? It's called Milky Way. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. What the hell? Alright, I'll be back. Just gonna cut the crease. Okay, so I've cut the crease now. So my original plan was, I really wanted to put this shade on it. It's called Orbit. How stunning is that? So I think I'm gonna put that like basically everywhere, and then put like Moonwalk in the inner corner or something like that. There is so many beautiful like glittery shimmery shades in here, so let's put them on. So yeah, I'm gonna start with Orbit. Oh my god, guys, it's stunning. Definitely needs a tacky base because it's like a glittery shade. It's obviously not like a shimmer, so I'll bring it to about there. How pretty is that? It looks so nice when it's getting caught in like the different like bits of light as well. Then we'll blend the cut crease into it in a second as well. It's actually so stunning. Such a shame that you can't, it doesn't seem that you can get this palette anymore. I checked on Bperfect on their website and it says like it's out of stock, so I don't know if they're gonna restock it or if it's like gone or what. Hopefully they restock it because it's real pretty. That's so nice. Okay, then I'm gonna take the Moonwalk shade, put that like there. Let's go into our black shade, which is called Dark Side. Just blend it. That stunning. Do the same over here, just like that. I'm actually going to take this today. This is the XO Beauty Eye Halo. This one's in the shade Stellar, which is fitting. And I'm going to use that to like line the cut crease. I really like these eye halos. They're super pretty. I feel like that didn't really do what I wanted it to do. I feel like I did a bad job of it over there. Alright, just like that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go off camera, do the rest of the base, and then I will be back and I'll show you the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I actually think it's so pretty. Like, it's very dark, and yeah, like not like dark, more dark than I'm used to, but I actually really like it. I'm gonna zoom in. I feel like it's super pretty. I really love that glitter shade. There's a little bit of creasing, but I mean, whatever. I'm not too phased about it. But yeah, so that was the Carnival Interstellar palette. I actually love it so much. I think it's so pretty. I really enjoy Bperfect shadows. I'm sad that they seem to kind of not really have many of the Carnival palettes left, which is such a shame because I feel like they're such nice palettes. But hopefully they do a restock or something. But yeah, I absolutely love this colour story. I think it's beautiful. I think there's so many possibilities with this palette. Yeah, I think that's everything for today. I don't know, I feel like it just, oh my god, that is so embarrassing. Oh my god, I've been talking that whole time with this on my lips, I mean on my teeth. Sorry guys, that's so embarrassing. Anyway, yeah, I think that's all for today. I actually really like this look. I think it's beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you have this palette or if you've tried it before. Or, yeah, anyway, see you in my next video. Bye.